Alright guys, welcome back to another adventure. Today we are going into the Santa Rita Cascade. We're gonna go shower today. Follow me. Alright, so these are the list of birds that are in the area. Doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna get to see all of them. It doesn't guarantee we might even see one, but hopefully we do. But yeah, these are all the birds that are in the area here. Alright guys, so we have to walk, I believe, somewhere between 1.5 miles or 2 to get to the cascade. And that's exactly what we're going to do. See, we got the family here again. This time more of the family is here with us. So it's a big group of us. Yeah. Guys, so this right here is a camping site, and you can rent this out over here. As you can see, there's a few folks here camping out, and the river's right there. Really nice. Camping. And we got some livestock. Looks like we're walking through this creepy looking little tunnel.
¿Quién? El agua de ellos se trajo. Ah, de ellos no. De mi mamá.
Alright guys, so we are pretty much almost where we need to be. There is the river right here. We're gonna go shower soon. And our friend Axel is taking a bath already. Alright guys, so that water was a bit cold, I'm not gonna lie. But we are still headed to the cascade. The Santa Rita waterfall. Alright guys, so we made our way to the waterfall. Here it is. We'll try to get a little bit closer. Rita Cascade here, you know. Water is freezing, it is ice cold. But nonetheless beautiful. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, I kind of chickened out. That water was brutally cold. The problem is the climate here isn't as warm as in Pereira. So this part is called, I believe, Altagracia. And it's just not as warm. So I don't feel like the river and the climate coincide with each other. Far too cold, but my mother-in-law, she toughed it out. But yeah, man. We're gonna go to a natural pool now. Alright guys, my favorite part of the video. A nice, fresh, lovely meal. Buen provecho. It's a wrap. Alright, we are going to enter a natural pool. Kind of like a cascade as well, in a way. It's right there.
That is cold.
Excellent. Alright guys, so we are heading back. So that was just a quick, a quick little adventure here in Santa Rita. We took a little dip. Fortunately, I didn't get to stay too much in the water because it is just freaking cold. Like, it hits your blood. But it's all good. Got a nice time here, man. Nice, beautiful, fresh, cold ass water.